No, you playing in your ad. That's why you need to be in here learning. We buy from that line. That TP, we buy from it. You buy from the TP because it's gonna always pull back from TP. Yeah, right, it's going to Whop. It already created a high. Oh shit. Yeah. I'm recording this one though. Holding that motherfucker all the way to Whop. Well, just watch out for that pullback. If it do pull back, you can get, well, it's gonna pull back right here, and you get you a good entry point. There we go. All right, see ya now. Told you, boy. Ooh. That bitch pouring. That bitch pouring. Man, D, I don't know what you be on. I ain't gonna lie. TP finna hit, Ray. I'm gonna close position at Whop. Man. Boy, I done made y'all so much money today on about 10 play. It don't make no fucking sense.
Order filled.
Man, let's go, man. W trade, dog. W motherfucking trade.
Backseat told the Glock, no cuz gon' clip Drake. Hop out on feet, just walking down, I'm tryna see it fade. No, we go wave shit, try to run swing this bitch head waiting. Somebody smoking on B9, I'm spinning it.